In today's informative video, we are going to talk about a topic that's extremely important for men and women aged 50 years and above. The best exercises for seniors that can be done either indoors at home, in the comfort of their living rooms, or outdoors in open spaces, such as parks or gardens. Our focus will be to suggest exercises that improve joint health, heart health, muscular strength, flexibility, and overall balance, all of which tend to decline with age but can be managed effectively. With increasing age, our bones become brittle, muscles become stiff, joints lose flexibility, and body balance becomes unstable, making daily activities more challenging. These exercises aim to prevent or reverse these age-related problems, helping seniors lead healthier, more active lives. Regular exercise is crucial for maintaining a healthy lifestyle, particularly as we age. Engaging in physical activities can help seniors maintain their independence, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and improve mental health. Exercise is not just about adding years to your life, but adding life to your years. Let's begin with indoor exercises, which are generally considered low impact and safe, especially for people who have limited mobility or prefer staying indoors. These exercises don't require any fancy equipment or even stepping outside the house. The first recommendation is indoor walking. It may sound simple, but it's a powerful cardiovascular activity. You can do it while watching TV, listening to music, or even during phone calls. Just 15 to 30 minutes of light walking inside the house can improve your heart rate, stimulate blood flow, and support joint movement without causing strain. This is commonly known as joint-friendly cardio. It's especially helpful for seniors who find going outdoors difficult due to joint issues or balance problems. Next comes a very helpful category known as chair exercises, which are perfect for seniors. For elderly individuals who cannot stand or walk for long periods, these exercises can be done sitting on a chair or even on a bed. Examples include seated leg lifts, where you slowly raise one leg at a time while sitting comfortably. This strengthens the thigh and hip muscles, which are crucial for mobility. Similarly, shoulder rolls involve moving your shoulders in a circular motion while seated, improving upper body mobility and flexibility. Another example is arm circles, where you stretch your arms out and move them in slow circular motions. These improve blood circulation and strengthen the arms and shoulders, enhancing overall well-being. You can further enhance these chair workouts by adding resistance bands, elastic bands that you pull to engage your muscles. These add resistance to your workout, helping to build strength without needing to stand or walk. Another excellent indoor option for seniors is yoga. Yoga not only increases flexibility, but also relieves mental stress, which often contributes to physical problems in the elderly. Start with just 10 to 15 minutes a day and gradually increase the duration to 30 minutes. Certain poses are especially safe and beneficial for seniors, such as the cat-cow pose, which gently stretches the spine, the mountain pose, which improves posture, and the child's pose, which relaxes the body. These poses can easily be learned by watching tutorials online or attending a beginner-friendly yoga class. In addition, doing strength training at home at least twice a week is essential for preserving muscle mass and bone density. You don't need to go to a gym. Start with light dumbbells weighing 1 to 3 kilograms, which are easily available in the market. As you get stronger, you can increase the weight gradually. Focus on exercises that target your arms, legs, core muscles, and back. Resistance bands can also be used as an alternative to dumbbells. Begin with just 5 to 10 minutes and extend the duration over time. Let's now talk about balance exercises, which are absolutely crucial for seniors. Poor balance can lead to dangerous falls, and unfortunately, fractures such as neck or femur fractures are common among elderly people who fall at home. These injuries often require surgery and long recovery times. To prevent such incidents, seniors should include balance training in their routine. Two highly recommended balance exercises are single leg standing. Practice standing on one foot while holding onto a support. Initially, have someone around to help you, but over time you'll gain better balance and confidence. Heel-to-toe walk. This involves walking in a straight line by placing the heel of one foot directly in front of the toes of the other foot. This strengthens your leg muscles and improves coordination and balance. Another excellent indoor workout is using a stepper. This simple device allows you to step up and down repeatedly, which not only gives you a cardio boost, but also enhances muscle strength, balance, and bone density. When using a stepper, make sure to have a handrail or stable support nearby to avoid losing balance in the beginning. Now let's discuss the outdoor exercises that are highly beneficial for seniors and should be done at least a few times a week if health and weather permit. Top of the list is brisk walking. Unlike casual strolling, brisk walking involves walking at a faster pace, enough to increase your heart rate and breathing. It's a safe, low-impact cardiovascular exercise that improves heart function, reduces blood pressure, lowers cholesterol, controls blood sugar, and boosts mood. Aim for at least 30 minutes of brisk walking, 5 days a week. Be sure to wear proper walking shoes, not everyday footwear. Choose shoes with good cushioning and grip that support your feet during long walks. Next is cycling, which can be done indoors on a stationary bike or outdoors on a regular bicycle. Outdoor cycling adds the benefit of fresh air, increased oxygen intake, and social interaction if done with friends or family. It's an excellent cardio workout that strengthens leg muscles, improves joint flexibility, and supports heart health. However, always avoid cycling on busy roads and wear a helmet to protect yourself from potential head injuries. Swimming is another full-body workout that's ideal for seniors. The buoyancy of water reduces pressure on joints, making it a safe and effective option for people with arthritis or weak knees. Swimming improves strength, flexibility, and stamina, while also offering relaxation. Another unique and highly beneficial exercise is Tai Chi, a slow-motion martial art that's especially suitable for older adults. Tai Chi improves balance, coordination, and mental focus. Many community centers and parks offer Tai Chi sessions for seniors. Don't hesitate to join one. This gentle exercise style brings about noticeable improvement in flexibility and inner peace. Lastly, we have gardening, also known as horticultural therapy. Though it may not seem like exercise, gardening involves light digging, bending, stretching, and lifting, all of which promote blood circulation, muscle activity, and mental relaxation. It also connects you with nature, which improves mood and reduces stress. Tending to plants and spending time in your garden can be both physically beneficial and emotionally satisfying. In conclusion, regular physical activity is one of the most powerful tools to stay healthy, mobile, and independent after the age of 50. It not only enhances physical well-being, but also boosts mental health and emotional resilience. Whether you choose indoor exercises like yoga, strength training, and chair workouts, these activities can be easily adapted to suit your fitness level. Or prefer outdoor activities like brisk walking, cycling, and hiking, and gardening. The key is consistency and enjoyment. Make it a part of your daily routine, listen to your body, and always stay safe. Remember to warm up before and cool down after your workouts. Consult your doctor before beginning any new exercise regimen, especially if you have chronic health issues. But once approved, start gradually and build up your endurance. These exercises will become your allies in aging gracefully and energetically, helping you to enjoy life to the fullest. Stay active, stay healthy, and take care of your precious body. It's the only one you've got.